Is the Apple Watch really worth it? Should you buy the Apple Watch to improve your lifestyle? In this video, I will give you 5 clear reasons why a mechanical watch might be a better choice, especially if you care about style, value, and mental health. And if you don't know who I am Onur Karaman, and thanks for tuning in. I upload a new video every week, so make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date. Now let's dive into reason number 1. The Apple Watch is basically a second screen for your iPhone. Messages, calls, and reminders. They will all show up on your wrist, and with that comes constant distraction. A mechanical watch does the opposite. It doesn't buzz, light up, or interrupt your thoughts. It simply keeps ticking in the background until you decide to take a look at it. Let me know in the comments if you prefer a watch that just tells time. The Apple Watch Series 10 contains advanced components like a new chip and a brighter, always-on Retina display. That's impressive. But after 4 to 5 years, its battery life will drop and software support from Apple starts to fade away. Now compare that to a mechanical watch. No software, no battery, but built to last. Depending on the brand of the watch, many components are hand assembled and even hand finished. And most mechanical watches only need a service every 7 to 10 years. Design is subjective. But let's be honest, the Apple Watch is mostly just a screen on a strap. Meanwhile, the world of mechanical watches is endlessly diverse. There are, for instance, pilot watches, dress watches, and of course dive watches. You can choose your preferred size and materials, and you can also choose a specific design which fits perfectly to your needs and outfits. And if you already like dive watches, then I have something special for you. The Dive Watch Compendium. It's a free premium ebook that showcases nearly 200 dive watches from over 50 brands. It's perfect for picking your next timepiece based on budget, specs, or design. You will find the download link in the description below this video. Make sure to check it out. Let's talk money. The Apple Watch will lose its value from day one. No Apple Watch model, not even the solid gold edition, has gained value over time. Now compare that with mechanical watches. Many models from Rolex, Cartier, and even smaller independent brands gain value. And after 10 to 15 years, your watch will become a vintage watch, which will attract collector appeal and rising value. The Apple Watch looks nice and modern. For workouts or techy environments, it's fine. But most Apple Watch owners still keep a mechanical watch for formal events, because nothing beats the elegance of a stainless steel or gold case, a clean sapphire crystal, and a stunning dial design. A mechanical watch completes the look. It elevates your whole outfit. And those are my 5 reasons why a mechanical watch might be a better choice. That's just my take. I'd love to hear yours in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button also. It helps a lot and I truly appreciate it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.